Hello everyone. Today I am going to start very important question of quantitative aptitude, that is a square root and cube root, shortcut and basic. So up to type number 4 we have already completed. Now this is the type number 5. Let us see what is this type number 5 question. So here question is what number should we subtract in the following number so that it become perfect as well. So any question of this type, what number should be subtracted from this so that it become perfect as square. So simple rule is what? That is the division method. This type of question we cannot solve by the factor method. This is solved only by the method of what? That is division method. So let us see how can we solve this question by division method. So my number is given 4494. We need to find what number should be subtracted from this so that it become perfect as well. So logic is what? Just to try to make finding perfect square by the division method. In the last stage, what we will do? Either we take the same number or slightly what? Less. So here rule is what? First make a pair. First pair from right, second pair. Now it is 44. So you know 7 7 are 49. It is more. So don't go more, come down. So 6. So this is what? 6. It is 6. And here also 6. And here you write 6. So 6 into 6 is what? 36. Okay. Now here we have to add this is 12. Now 14 minus 6 is what? 8, and this cancel. Second pair is what? 8, 9. Now this is the last step. In this last step, what we will do in the case of subtraction, either you take that number which give you 894. If not 894, then slightly less than. So we are checking here. 6 2 are 12, 6 1 are 6, 7. 8 2 are 16, 8 1 are 8, 9. When we are going within 8, we are turning the 9. This is the more. So we are taking this 7. So when we are taking for 7, 7 7 are 49, carry 4. 7 2 are 14, 4 18, and 7 1 are 7 1 8. Yes, it is less slightly. So go for 7. So this is 7 7 are 49, carry 4. 7 2 are 14 and 4 18, carry 1. This is what? 8. So what we got here, this add, no use of this, but we can add this. 14 minus 9 is what? 5. And 8 minus 8 is what? 0. So we got what? 5. Remainder is 5. That means when we subtract 5 from this given number, we will get what? A square of 67. Okay. So our right answer is what? 5. So any question of this type, what number should be subtracted from the given number so that it become perfect square? Try every time this question by only division method. Division method of a square root you apply, but technique is what? In the last stage, you have to take what? Either that number or slightly less, not more. Let us see the next question also by the same method we are doing, because the question is same. What number should be subtracted from the given number? That number is what? 3368. So that it become perfect as well. So again, my number is 3368. So just check it. So first we are doing what? Pair from the right. So first pair, second pair. First pair is what? 33. So everyone knows 6 square 36. So don't go more, come down. It will what? 5. So 5, 5, and here 5. So 5 square is what? 25. You are getting 10. Here 13 minus 5 is 8. This is cancelled out. Second pair is what? 860. Now you check what number we divide so that we get either 860. If not 860, then what? Slightly less. So we are checking again 9. If we go, then we become 9 1 are 9 more. If you go for 8, it is okay. So we are going for 8. So 8 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 0 0, and here 6 and 8. So what we are getting here, no use of this, but we are adding, and here 6 minus 4 2. So what remainder is what? 2. That means if we subtract here from 2, we will get our number which is a perfect response. So our right answer is what? 2 on. In this way, any question is given to what number we should subtract so to become perfect square, use this form. Okay. Now let us see the next question. Here the next question is very important and tricky approach question. Find the cube root of the following by factor method and tricky method. So everyone know cube root by factor method, everyone know. Main important I will discuss here what tricky method. But first we are going for factor method because this factor method is also very important. Why? Because sometimes the question comes which is only solved by the factor method. You can't solve by tricky method. Just like here, first question is given what? 1728. We have to find cube root of this number, right? So again, rule is what? When we are making factor method, the rule is what? First to make the factor of this number. The factor of this number, everyone knows here 8, so it is divided by 8, 2. 2 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 is. Again go with 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is. Again go 2 2 is 4, 1 6. Now if you know it is divided by 6 also, 6 cube 2 1 6. If you have an idea, go for 6. If no idea, again go for 2. The idea is 6, so 6 3 is 18, 3 6 6 is. Again 6 3. This is a perfect cube number. So just make a pair. So we will write here factor 2, 2, 2. And then 6, 6 and 6. Now you know here cube means what? Pair of 3. So pair 3 we are taking. So this is 2. 3 times 2 will give 1, 2. 3 times 6 will give 1, 6. So answer is what? 12. So any question of this type you can make very easily by this method. Okay. So now you see the other question by this factor method. So in this way, with the help of this factor method, any question we can solve. First make factor and then make a pair of 3. You will get a cube root of that number. Similarly here, the next number is what? Just like here, my next number is what? This number. So here next number is what? 375. So 375 is given and we need to find what? Cube root of that number. Okay. The cube root of that number we are finding. So again, you know factor method is what? Make a factor of this number. 375, we are making a factor. So when you are making a factor of this number, you know well unit digit is what? 5. So that number will be divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 35, 5. Again this is 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 3 are 15, 5 5 are. Again 5, so 5 2 are 10. Everyone know 27 is what? 3 cube. So again you know pairing 3 times and 3 times. So now you can write that 3 times 5 give 1 5, 3 times 3 give 1 2. So your answer is what? 50. In this way we can find any number very easily. Now I am explaining every question of this cube root by the tricky method or GAYAS method. Let us see. So any question is given, we can find very easily. We can guess the answer should be that, but that number should be perfect cube. If the perfect cube, then we will find the tricky method. So just like here, 1728. We need to find cube root of that number. So trick is what? First to make a pair of 3 from right. So this is right. Now check what is the unit. Unit is what? 8. So just check in mind by tricky way. If we multiply 8 3 times, unit will be what? I'm not telling you to multiply it 3 times. You go for logic. What logic here? Mind. 8, 8, 8, 3 times. So first to 8 gives 64. Check only unit 4. And third is again 8. So 4 8 is 32. Unit is what? Only 2. Again repeating. Make pair and then check what is unit. Unit digit you multiply 3 times logically and take unit on. So just to feel in mind 8, 8, 8. First to 8 gives 64. So unit is 4. So just keep in mind 4 only. Third is again 8. So 4 8 is 32 unit on. Now remaining number you check whose cube. One is cube of 1 on. So your answer is what? 12. Similarly, you see the next question also. 3375. We need to find cube root of that number. The technique is what? Make pair of these three and check what is your unit. Unit is 5. So if we go logically 5 3 times multiply, unit will be 1. But trick you know well, if 5 is unit. Anytime you multiply 5, you will get unit 5 on. So here no need to multiply 5 logically. Direct you can write 5 because any number of times here we are multiplying 3 times. Any number of times you multiply 5, you will get unit 5. Now remaining is what? 3. Now check in mind whose cube gives 3. 1 cube 1 and 2 cube is 8. So 8 is more than this number. We can't take more. We have to come down. So you again take 1. Your answer is what? 15. Again, my next number is what? Large number, no problem. 8, 5, 7, 3, 7, 5. We need to find cube root of this number. So again, pair of this number, unit is 5. So unit will be always 5. Now here 8, 5, 7. Now you check which number cube is this. If not this, then near this. So you know 9 cube is what? 729. We already understood a lot of technique in that previous class for finding cube. So 10 cube is what? 1000 and 9 cube is what? 720. So 9 cube 729 and 10 cube 1000. 1000 is more. So come down 9. So your correct answer is what? 95. In this way, you can find any question. Just like you see, this is a large number. No problem. We can solve this question also by this method. So here 5, 5, 1, 3, 6, 8. We need to find cube root of this number. Make pair of this number and unit is 8. So check if logically 8 multiply 3 times, what will be unit? So 8, 8, 8. First to 8 gives 64, 4 and then third 8 again, 4, 8 32, 2. Carries what? 3. Now, no need of carry, only you have to write unit 2. Now, remaining is 5, 5. You check which number can give you 5, 5, 1. So, you know whose cube near to 5, 5, 1. So, you know 8 cube is what? So, you go in mind, I told you the technique, cubic. 8 cubes what? So 8 square 64 and 64 into 8 is what? 8 4 is 32, 5 1 2. So 9 cube 729 and 8 cube is what? 5 1 2. So 9 is most, you have to take 8. So your correct answer is what? 82. In this type, we can find any numbers of cube root very easily. So for today, up to this. Thank you.